item quantities. Okay, now from system you can enter customer quotations, sales orders, tax invoices. Okay. Now sometimes your customers will send purchase orders. At that time you are entering sales order and you want to reserve those quantities for that particular customer. And if you tick this option, those sales order items will reserve for customers. Okay, quantity reserved. This option will be disabled if sales orders exist in the company. And if you tick this option, those sales orders quantities will reserve for that customers. Okay, if you want to reserve any sales order quantities for a customer, please tick. And if you don't want to reserve quantities, you can untick this option. Okay, and next one, display inactive item bundles for selection on document lines. I'll quickly go through that bundle items. Actually, you can get a better understand about when you are doing the transactions or you are creating master files. But I'll quickly go through these bundle items. Now, for an example, when you are selling computers, in computers there may be mouse, keyboard, speakers, system unit, like that. There are many parts. Okay, you can create from here. You can set what are the components of a particular item and what is the quantity. And when you are going to invoicing or when you are entering a quotation, if you select this item, all other components also display in the invoice. I'll show you an example. Now I'll enter quotation. Now I'll select computer here. First select bundle, then computer, then all other parts also will display in the screen. Okay, now I have select only COM001, but other parts also display in this screen. Okay, now from here display inactive item bundles for selection on document line. That means if you are inactivated any bundle item, if you untick this option, that bundle item will not display in the screen. Okay, when you are processing transaction, those inactivated bundle items will not display in the document lines. If you tick this, inactivated items also will display in the document lines. Then use Perpetual inventory system. Actually, this is a add-on module. There are few add-on modules. Add-on means actually system general system has some features, and if you want to add more features, those are the add-on modules. You can activate those add-on modules from here. Okay, next session we will discuss how to increase your number of users or number of companies and licenses. Now here use perpetual inventory. If you take this option, you can view your inventory items, and you can get valuation reports for that perpetual inventory system. And also before this, sometimes you cannot see this use perpetual inventory. Next session we will activate that option. Okay. Then time tracking setting. From here also this option is, if you activated this option, display inactive projects for selection on document lines, then those inactivated lines will not display for projects. And also you can set a lockdown date for that transaction entering period. Okay. When we are entering that financial year also, we have set lockdown date. Same way for time tracking also, you can set a lockdown date. Okay. Next one is outstanding balances. Now in your system there may be monthly tick, and if you tick on this option for when you are generating that outstanding report, now you can generate outstanding report as age analysis, current, 30 days, 6 days, 90 days, 120 days. Now there are two, actually if you take this monthly option, that customer outstanding will calculate from end of the month. Okay. Now for an example, you are entering 20th of January, 21st of January, one particular invoice. Now if you take this option, that outstanding will calculate end of that particular month. For an example, now if you are invoicing January 21st, and system will calculate from 1st of February. Okay, it will calculate that age analysis as 1st of January, 1st of February, and if you untick this option, actual date will calculate. Okay, if you tick this option, system will calculate that invoices after end of the month. It will calculate the number of days, but if you untick this option, system will calculate correct actual number of days. Okay. Then next